Oh, here's Piper again, being cute as usual. Aren't you, sweetie? What'd you find there, huh? Something interesting on the rug? Yep, there goes the thumbs up or the tail up. Okay. Yeah. Something out there? Is there something out there that you want to go look at, huh? You're always keeping an eye on that door, which is really good. Yeah, we have to be professional around this office, don't we? Yeah, we sure do. You make sure everyone stays nice and professional. Look at that. I'm not sure what kind of pose that is. It doesn't exactly look like a loaf. Yeah, it looks kind of like a loaf, except it has a tail and two little feetsies holding it up. Yeah, you look all plushy and sweet. Little feetsies down there on the bottom. Yeah, that's you. That's you, baby. Aw, look at that sweetheart. Aw. Oh, what are you gonna do, huh? What are you gonna do? Just enjoying sitting there? That's good.